Okay, I'm back with sub-zero frigid temperatures. I had to come in and get a pair of gloves. Honey, you know where the gloves are? Huh? Honey, there's a blizzard going on outside and I need gloves. Oh, I just broke the door. Let's see. Should I go with pink or blue? Let's go with blue because they match my hat. All right. If I don't make it alive, back alive, I just want to know that I love you all. Look at them conditions. Look at these conditions. This is frigid times in Tennessee, people. Frigid times. Let's see. There's the tractor. Can the tractor clear out this big snow? Deep snow? Let's see. To be continued.